See, in Reiki, we don't do healing without permission of the person.
Mm.
We ask the permission of the person. But suppose somebody is not willing,
Mm.
but it is a very close family member,
Yeah.
like a very
Children.
son, daughter, ऐसे कुछ होगा.
Mm.
So, and they have a physical or mental, emotional issue, which is
Mm.
their own, matlab, it's they are experiencing something, maybe depression, maybe anxiety,
Mm.
maybe some pain in the stomach or whatever it might be. So
Mm.
you can send Reiki for the highest good,
Okay.
for the
Ah.
highest good. Okay. And
Mm.
so in that you are not forcing the energy. You are saying that if it is for the highest good, then
Ah.
they may receive this energy like that. You're not forcing it. So sometimes energetically people receive it. Some people, sometimes they if they are not willing from
Mm.
within, they may not
Mm.
receive it. I say.
Yes.
And it it is also not a like a formal permission. Means it is not like you can just tell them, okay, uh, okay, you're having this problem. I'll do Reiki for you. And they don't respond by no, no, don't do. Then
Mm.
also it's
Mm.
fine. Yeah. You can also ask, can I send Reiki? But it doesn't have to be very formal also. Like you can say, okay, babe, okay, wait, I'll send you Reiki for this. And what is their response? Okay, mama, that's fine. That is also good.
That's okay, but sometimes they are in such mood that they don't like. Uh,
So they
uh,
don't have to do anything, na? Means suppose they are in bad mood, so you can say, okay, fine, I'll send you blessings, Reiki.
um,
You don't have to do anything. You just carry on with whatever work you're doing or
but,
relax or whatever. You don't have to focus or sit or something.
mm,
If they have to focus or like you're throwing a ball and they have to catch, then
uh,
it is understood that they have to pay attention. But it's not like that. You can
mm,
do Reiki healing in your own time zone. You are sending Reiki in India, you are in Middle East, right?
mm, mm,
So you can do whenever you want to do. Maybe
oh,
late night. For here it is midnight probably.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm,
In that time you can send. Is not
mm,
required because
mm,
it is at the subtle level, right? They are receiving in distance when you're sending. They are receiving at the subtle body level. They are receiving that energy. So in
mm,
this way you can do. Now, for if somebody is having a relationship problem
mm,
and they are not willing, or
mm.
you cannot ask, or
Ah,
something like that, also you can do for them. For the good of the family, you can always do something, right? You are part of the
yes,
family, you can do. So you can like visualize the entire family. You can do for the good of all, for
the
the
good of all.
highest good of all. You can always do Reiki for that.
Always.
Yeah. For that you need no, because if it is a personal thing, then you need to take a permission.
Permission.
Otherwise not. Otherwise it's not. And always you are depending on Reiki.
Mm, mm.